SEO course with AI. Friends, I hope that you all are learning this complete SEO course very well because this is a totally up-to-date and latest course. And in this we are also teaching you how you can use the tools of the artificial intelligence and other stuffs as well. And similarly, today we have brought a topic which is how to do keyword research with an AI tool. This is free and you don't have to spend any money in this. You just need to follow the methods that I'm telling you, practice them and try different experiments with them. Alright? And then you'll start seeing the results. Now the things that I am teaching you particularly, or if you are doing the SEO or learning SEO, and if you start practicing this on a regular basis, or even if you include it in your daily routine as well, right? Then you yourself will become such an expert. You will learn so many methods how you can get anything done by the help of AI. And the important thing is that people are scared when they start using it. They are afraid of results. You'll not get good result in first time. Whenever you do something, you learn from it and you face certain challenges in that, but again you do that and learn in better way. And then slowly and gradually by doing it, you gain expertise in it. So, just think, did Sachin Tendulkar become the Sachin Tendulkar in just one go in a single match? No, for Sachin Tendulkar to become Sachin Tendulkar, we all know how many years of hard work he did and how much he had to struggle later. So keep this in mind. The things that I am teaching you, they are very beneficial and helpful for you, right? Because it will save your time and also it will give you new ideas. Okay, so now look, we will come to the computer screen, alright? And here we will see that. So see that here I have created 3 different prompts. I have written very simple prompts, not long paragraphs that are hard to understand. Because, as you know, and even you can see here on our channel that we've provided a complete 28-hour AI course. It includes a course on prompt engineering and different powerful tools. Everyone is learning from this. It's very popular and latest course. So if you want to learn complete AI, prompt engineering and popular tools, then you can learn it. But what I am teaching you right now, basically I mean any tool of AI, it is all about how good prompt you give it. That means how well you can tell it what do you exactly want from it. It will give you results that are just as good. Keep that in mind, okay? So I have to do research of some keyword. As I have a digital marketing agency and I'm Delhi based, now I need some keywords related to that on which I want to do SEO. So I wrote a prompt. Provide me the 10 long tail SEO keywords. Combination of, so I have specially mentioned the combination of 4 to 5 words. For the topic digital marketing service in Delhi, right? And my target location is Delhi. The keywords should have good volume. It simply means that their search volume should be good. But the competition should be less so that these kinds of keywords are beneficial for SEO. Alright, now if I take this particular prompt that I've written and I will copy it. Now I will go to ChatGPT here and there I will paste this prompt. And let's see what results we get here, okay? These are 10 results. Digital marketing service in Delhi, best digital marketing companies in Delhi, digital marketing agency for startups Delhi, local, services for business in Delhi. Like this it gave me 10 particular keywords, right? Now friends, just see here. So, I've written another one. The method is different. There can be different ways to write prompt. Everyone has a different thought process and their own way of speaking. Also the way of using word is quite different, right? So everyone has their own vocabulary. So now someone might call something in a different way, right? Because you can find many words that mean same thing, but the words themselves are different. Everyone's writing style is different. So the results can also be different. Keep that in mind. Here's another prompt. Act as SEO keyword expert. Provide me 5 keywords related to digital marketing service. My target location is Delhi. Now I've written it in this way. Alright then. Let's paste this prompt here as well. So here I told it that I deal in digital marketing services and my location is Delhi. And now you can see again it has found some keywords and gave those keywords to me. Now we've won another prompt. Provide me 2 to 3 combination of the words. Alright? Words combination. Provide me 2 to 3 words combination. It should be keywords. Keywords, okay? And now here it has given me the combinations of keywords with just 2 to 3 words. Alright. Now here I can also write this as well. Now provide me most. Provide me 10 popular keywords for the same. Okay. Now I have told it that get me 10 popular keywords for this same thing. Alright. Let's see what it gives. Digital marketing in Delhi, SEO service in Delhi, social media marketing. In this way, it has given mid-tail keywords. There are short tail, long tail and mid-tail. First, we asked for long tail. Then we asked for 3-word combinations. Now I asked for popular keywords. It's neither short tail nor long tail. But it has good traffic and you will also get leads from it. So it gave me the best ones. Okay. And even I can ask more ideas from it. I can use common instead of popular. Okay. I can use unique, and by using different words, I can simply make a list. But it doesn't end here. Like I have shown you how to use Google Keyword Planner in this SEO course, I have taught you different types of keywords in this course. I hope you are learning the course and have seen all the things. So in that I have told you how to use Keyword Planner because Google's own AI system works there as well. Alright? And there also, if you have the idea of so many keywords, then there as well. If you paste any keyword, then it will extract and give you 20 or 50 related keywords on its own. And from these keywords as well, whichever you feel are best, you need to get ideas from Google Keyword Planner and also get ideas from here. So that the more ideas the bigger the list will be. Then from that you can select those with the good volume and low competition and can create a powerful list. When that powerful list is made, then you can use that list for creating the content for your website or even for the on-page or off-page as well, alright? Because when you have the keywords list with you, and if the website doesn't have content or pages related to them, then on what I will do the SEO. So if there are keywords, then only we can do SEO planning, website planning and content planning. Therefore, in this way, use the free tool to extract the best possible list of keywords. Okay? Also verify that list and get its data from the Google, like how much volume it has. Alright? And what is its competition, etc. And along with that, there are some other AI tools or there are some other suggested AI tools that you can use effectively. Okay? But there is everyone's personal preference who likes which tool, but the number one tool will remain the same. That will be Google Keyword Planner. If you have to do keyword research, whether it's for SEO or for Google Ads. Because whose platform it is, they will give you the best ideas. All other things are just helping you making your work faster. So it is making easy. Work that took hours is getting done in minutes. So friends, I've already given you such a big AI course from which you can learn AI, prompt engineering and become an expert. So I hope you will learn the SEO course and definitely learn AI course because that will be very useful for you in digital marketing. I hope you like this video. You must have understood it and now you will learn well and will practice it. Thank you.